Right, welcome back everyone. I still remain Peter Brian Clay. Today I want to take you through a very simple concept, and that's none other than uh, the major terminologies and the key features used in Excel. So it's like an introduction to Excel. So today I would like to introduce you to Excel. So this is my Excel document, and the first feature here we have is the formula bar. The formula bar is actually the area above the worksheet where you can enter or edit data or formulas. Actually, this is the formula bar. This is the actually it's even saying formula bar. So this is the formula bar, the whole of this. So you can edit functions there. You can say maybe some, yeah, something like that. So that's the what we call the formula bar. Then to a cell is a unit of a spreadsheet where you can enter data. So this is a cell, and our next feature here is an active cell. So a cell is actually the intersection of a row and a column. Then what makes what we call a an active cell is actually when you click on it, it becomes an active cell where you can input in something. So that's what we call an active cell. And the next thing is a function. A function is just like in math. We all know that a function, when we say uh, maybe say average, this is a function, right? Then maybe we say sum, but the only difference is that in any function in Excel begins actually with an equal sign. Then the next thing is a worksheet. A worksheet is a single spreadsheet document. Actually, this is what we call a worksheet. This is the worksheet. The whole of this is a worksheet. Then the next thing is a workbook. Uh, Actually, pages and pages of a worksheet is what we call a workbook. So here we have like a 2, 3. Actually, we can add as many workbooks as possible. So that's what we call a workbook. Then our next thing is called cell referencing. So actually, cell referencing is when maybe we are entering a formula when we say then some. Cell reference is when you click on a cell and it's referred and to in your formula there. So this is what we call cell referencing. You see, I'm clicking on this, I'm clicking on something like this, then it's automatically referred unto in the formula. So that's basically what we call cell referencing. Then a formula is basically an expression. Just like in math, a formula is an expression. We all know what a formula is. Then we say name box. Actually, this is the name box. Any cell you click on to, then it is written in the name box. So this is what we call the name box. Actually, it's even written there, name box. So these are basically the main features of an Excel or spreadsheet document. So when you like this video, don't remember to hit that thumb thumbprint. Then you like, subscribe, and you can comment as well. Thanks for watching. I still remain Peter Brand Clay, God and my country. Thank you very much.